If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you enter credit card charges incrementally, you can reconcile the entries made against the credit card bill when it arrives. This is helpful in preventing unauthorized charges on the card. Reconciling a credit card account is almost identical to reconciling a bank account. To reconcile a credit card account, open the Chart of Accounts window, and then click the credit card account you want to reconcile to select it. Click the Activities button in the lower left corner of the Chart of Accounts window, and then select the Reconcile Credit Card command from the pop-up menu. Doing that then displays the Begin Reconciliation dialog box. Input the statement date from your credit card statement, and also enter the ending balance from the statement. Enter any finance charges you accrued, the date they were accrued, and the account you used to track those charges. Then click the Continue button at the bottom of the Begin Reconciliation dialog box to display the Reconcile Credit Card window for the selected account. In this window, you will see all the transactions that haven't cleared. Use this window to check off the transactions listed within your credit card statement. Click each transaction that you can match to a transaction within the credit card statement to place a check mark in front of it and mark it as cleared. When you are done, the difference in the lower right corner should be 0. Click the Reconcile Now button to finish reconciling the account, and select an option for the reconciliation report you want to generate. After reconciling a credit card account, QuickBooks lets you pay all or part of the balance due by taking you immediately to either the Write Checks window or Enter Bills window, depending on which option you select in the dialog box that appears. The bill or check will already be set to the credit card account. The amount due for the credit card will also be entered already. You just need to select the name of the company to whom you pay the credit card balance, and then print the check or save the bill. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.